Hello everyone. Today, we'll compare GeneratePress and Sydney, two popular WordPress themes for building websites in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So, let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at GeneratePress. GeneratePress is known for its lightweight design and flexibility. It offers a clean code base enhancing user experience and SEO. GeneratePress theme focuses on speed, usability, and accessibility. It offers a variety of customization options, page speed scores, and support. GeneratePress provides seamless integrations and is accessible to all. GeneratePress has also introduced the first-ever block-based theme builder and an extensive library of websites. In terms of pricing, GeneratePress offers a yearly plan priced at $59, which provides 1 year of access to all premium features, and a lifetime plan with one-time payment priced at $249, providing lifetime access to all features. Sydney, on the other hand, is a popular WordPress theme designed for businesses and professionals. It offers a range of customization options, including header layouts, color options, and widget areas, allowing users to create professional and visually stunning websites. Sydney includes features such as full-screen sliders, parallax backgrounds, and customizable blocks, making it suitable for users looking to create dynamic and engaging websites for their businesses or personal projects. In terms of pricing, Sydney offers annual plans which includes a personal plan for $55, a professional for $95, and an agency plan for $199. Sydney also offers a lifetime subscription. In summary, both platforms offer powerful features for building websites. GeneratePress may be preferable for users who prioritize performance optimization, simplicity, and flexibility. Meanwhile, Sydney may appeal to users seeking a theme with a more business-oriented focus and advanced design features. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between both platforms. Thank you for watching.